Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C71, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, strand on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of those, you can then pop out the case and the tray. So the tray is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding right now. I'm going to push it in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray we have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. So place your cards like this on the tray, and then insert it back into your device. Whoops. There we go. When you do so, these cards should start working right away. Let's give it a moment. It's thinking about the SIM card pin right now. Might be a little bit slow, but it's got the spirit. Come on. Come on. I believe you can do it. There we go. Oh, I guess the SIM card that I inserted didn't have a pin. But there we go. It took it a moment. So anyway, that's how you insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.